So got to the land. Hey, gorgeous girl. Has been nice for 2 minutes. Yeah, it's overgrown again. There we go. But we're having a look what's actually growing. There's a lot of potatoes that are growing, and the sweet potato is growing. Look at that. It's huge. And some corn is still alive. This grass honestly won't stop growing. Let's see, do we have any strawberries? There's one strawberry over here. There we go. But someone's definitely eating them, because this entire thing was full of strawberries. Right. But look at this. This is an onion. Look at that. Just for a size comparison, that's my hand. This stalk is literally as thick as my hand. We'll see what we'll get out of it, but hopefully some seeds as well. But yeah, onions are doing great, which is good. If we don't get anything else, we'll get onions. Peppers have been demolished by a bug, I'm guessing. But these are tomatoes. They're already growing quite well. The heat of the day is getting to them. All the flowers are gone. None of my flowers are here. What? Okay. But look, we got some bees. Got some bees, actually got some bees. Pigeons didn't eat all of it. And this is the next bit of my garden. There was supposed to be some cucumber and dill coming from there, but that doesn't look like it's happening. But it's okay. What else there is? The trees are growing. They need wood chips, but I haven't got that far. And what's happened to the hair? All the... Right. This is blueberries. All the blueberries are gone. I know. Look, there are a few. There's some animals eating my things again. The roots are still not strong enough. So what was here? Oh, there was something here, now it's gone. This one isn't, this one's alive. trees. We just need wood chips. Black currants. More wood chips. And this is the raspberry bed. There we go. They just need to get their roots under them. Little baby is nicely where she's supposed to be. But none of them are strong. But they'll get there. It might take years. But eventually these trees will be strong. Some butterflies. Quite a lot of butterflies. There we go. There's raspberries. Again, need to get their roots in. Oh, there's even fruit this year. Last year there was none. Let's see. I think this one might be ready. Yeah, someone's eaten it. There we go. That's nice. Hi there. This is my compost pile. Hasn't changed a lot. There was supposed to be a pumpkin in there, but it's clearly not there. But it's okay. So what we're gonna do, little lady? Oh no. She's been sick so much. Oh. Right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.